Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare bone broth soup. First, gather your main ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of high-quality animal bones, such as beef, chicken, or a mix. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Don't forget a few sprigs of fresh parsley and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. These simple components are the foundation for a deeply nourishing and delicious broth. Now let's prepare our ingredients for maximum flavor. Begin by roasting your bones on a baking sheet at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until they are lightly browned. This step is crucial for a rich, savory taste. While the bones roast, roughly chop 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Once roasted, transfer the bones and chopped vegetables to a large stock pot. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It helps draw out beneficial minerals. The simmering process is where the magic truly happens. Cover all your ingredients with cold water, ensuring everything is submerged by at least 1 inch. Bring the pot to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. For the first hour, carefully skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Allow your broth to simmer gently for a minimum of 12 hours, and for an even richer flavor, up to 24 hours. Once your broth has simmered to perfection, it's time to finish and store it. Carefully strain the entire contents of your pot through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, discarding all the solids. You'll be left with a beautiful, clear, golden liquid. Allow the broth to cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or you can freeze it for several months of delicious enjoyment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.